I'm sure I speak for us all when I say how grateful we are to have Trusted. What a wonderful piece of software it is, and how it doesn't include just an extra layer of bureaucracy that doesn't work. What a nightmare. After last week's video on introducing a way that we can actually prove we are who we are when we turn up at places, something which no one when we turn up at actually knows or cares about. Now this week I had to upload my driving licence onto Trusty. Now, to give you a bit of background, because I'm HGV now, it's not quite as straightforward. To renew your driving licence, first of all, I had to have a medical. Now, you can't just go to the medical. First of all, you have the medical form sent through to you. You have the old driving licence pack get sent through to you from the lovely people at the DVLA. And then what you do is you got a book the medical. They send the pack through about 4 or 5 weeks before the licence expires. Brilliant. So then you've got 4 or 5 weeks, during which time you've got to book the medical, have the medical, return the form to the DVLA, who then can take up to 3 weeks to process it and send it back to you. So by the time I'd actually got an appointment at my doctor's, got down there, done the form, sent it off to them, silver post, silver shiny, £11 special delivery, guaranteed next day post. They get it. 3 weeks later it comes through the post. Next day my wife says, by the way, your licence came in yesterday, it's in your drawer. Thanks, could have told me that yesterday, Lise. In fairness, one day's one day, you know. But then the licence is there, fantastic. Then all I've got to do is upload it to Trusted, and I've got 4 days, time and a half, to upload it to Trusted. So here we go. So there you go, scan the driving licence. Glare, too much glare. No, there's no glare on it, definitely no glare on it. So then we do that 3 or 4 times, then eventually accepts the licence. Then it says, we're just checking to see if you're eligible to drive. And the 3 little white dots just keep going. 10 minutes later, I give up. Tried it again, glare. No, there's no glare. Right, we got it past the glare. Then it says, oops, something's gone wrong. Oh no, that's it. I didn't even get to upload the glare to go, oops, something's gone wrong. I went, okay, fine, okay. Try again later. Try it again another time. We get the licence on. We get the get the selfie and get the licence on. Then it says, I've got a licence on, got the selfie on. I made a bit of a mess. I was wearing a vest. It was Sunday morning. It was very warm. And I looked, I thought, is that my profile picture? Oh dear, I don't think I'll go through a stepchild son. But never mind, it's working. Then it says, your licence is expired on the 22nd of April or something like that. And I'm looking at it going, but it can see the new licence on the screen. I can see it. It's been uploaded to Trusted. Clearly on the licence, it says 2031. No. So then we had to try and upload it again. Uploaded it all again. And it went, we can't read when your licence actually expires. Enter your driving licence manually so we can check it. Fine, lovely, I can do that. Enter the driving licence manually. That's not a valid number. No, that is a number. It's the one around in front of it. So then I've done it. I've to make sure there's no spaces. There's no spaces. Then I've done it with lowercase, which have automatically gone to uppercase. Maybe that was it. No, not a valid number. All right, well, I've done each one individually. Uppercase, 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 uppercase. Because sometimes if you double lock the uppercase, that doesn't work. Not a valid number. Okay, we'll try again. Something went wrong. In the end, I got it all uploaded. I managed to get it on, and I contacted the exchange. And I said, look on Trusted. You'll see my new photo. You'll see my my driving licence uploaded. You'll see the date on it. It's clearly marked on there. You can see it from the photo. They come back. They went, yeah, that's fine. TEG. Great news. It comes across on the email. Great news. Your licence has now been verified. Your ID checks have been verified. Fantastic. Lovely. This was yesterday. And it was due to be done by yesterday at the latest. Fine. Got up this morning, fortunately early for my job, as I tend to, got an email from them, TEG, your profile has expired, your account might be restricted. Now, I've had account restricted before, And it means that rather than seeing 30 jobs, I was seeing 4, at which point I'm going, no, this is no good to me. I need to be able to see all the jobs. I've got to go to work. And I've tried and tried and tried. I'd give them a long email before they went, your account's fine. Go, look, I've tried this. Here's a photo of my licence. Here's a photo of my licence on your portal. Here's my driving licence number and a screenshot of the bit that says this doesn't work. Anyhow, unfortunately, I was at home. So I thought I'd do it from the desktop. I went out, and for some reason, this time it worked. This time the license came on. Nothing about glare. It uploaded. It got the date right. It said, do a selfie. I'd done a selfie. Fantastic. It said, brilliant. Now let's see your passport. What? You've just seen my driving licence. What is it? Fortunately, like I say, I was at home. So I ran downstairs, got my passport, ran back upstairs, thought, please don't time out, please don't time out, put my passport on, bang. And then it went, you're all identified. Big green tick. Fantastic, lovely. But I rang them anyway, and I sent them a little sport ticket, double check. Yeah, you're all good. You don't need anything until the next time you have to upload all your documents. So that'll be fun. But my God, I mean, it's a bit like Lisa says, don't wheel on my leg and tell me it's raining. It didn't work. I must have tried it about over a dozen times trying to get my stuff on. And it's just frustrating. I mean, I kind of get it. It helps. I understand why it's there. It stops people running without insurance. It stops people running in vans that have got no MOTs. It's getting rid of some of the cowboys that previously might have been on there. But a system that works. My cousin Daniel's got a thing. He says, I don't want a gold yacht. I don't want a rocket to take me to the moon. I just want what I've got to work. So please make it work. That'd be nice. And just a little... That means hours out of my life where I could have been taking care and taking money.